All right, this is your homework for this week. Okay, we're talking about fractions. Okay, just read the directions and you're going to color the pie that's on the left. I'll do the first one for you. It says color 3 parts red. Well, 3 parts red. 1, 2, 3. 3 parts red. Then it says color 4 parts blue. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts, right? Then it says color 1 part green. Okay. Now, when you write a fraction, you have 2 numbers. You have the top number and the bottom number. The bottom number is called a denominator, meaning that's how many total pieces I have. Okay? The top number is how many parts of that particular piece that I have. So example, how many parts do I have altogether though? How many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8 of them. Right? 8. Okay. How many did I color? How many parts did I color red? 3. So the fraction for the circle that is red, it's 3/8. How many are blue? 4. That's 4/8, which is half of it. And then how many were green? 1. So you do that for the other 2, the other 3 at the bottom. Okay. The other worksheet that you'll be doing, it says draw lines to show equal parts. So here's the whole part right here. Okay, that's like the whole pizza, right? If it says 2 parts halves, I just need to cut it in half down the middle. Okay, make sure the parts are equal, right? 3 parts, and then 4 parts, or part it in fourths or thirds. Thirds, I need to have 3 sections. If I part it in fourths, I need to have how many sections? 4. Now look at number 2. I need 2 halves. There's a couple ways that I could cut it in half, right? I can go like this. What's the other way? Tell me. Horizontal like this? Yeah. Oh, it's another way. You know? Diagonal, good. Okay. And it says draw 3/3. Just 3 sections. Just make sure they're equal. Fourths, I could just go like this. Right? So then you'll do the same thing for 3, 5, and 4. Just read the directions. It says color to show the fraction. 1/4. You see the number at the top? See the number at the top of all of them? That's how many you need to color in. So out of the 4 sections, number 1, how many sections am I going to color? 1. Number 2, I'm going to color both of them or just 1? Just 1, a half. And here it says 1/3. How many sections am I going to color? Just 1. And number 4, just 1. All right. It tells you to color 1/3 of the rectangle, right? So let's review. There's 2 numbers. There's one on the top, one on the bottom. The top number is called a numerator. Okay. That tells me how many do I have to color, if it's a pizza, how much of a pizza I'm going to eat. Okay, that's just the part, not the whole. The number on the bottom, that's called a denominator. I love that word because the number on the bottom dominates the whole. That tells you how many do you have the total of the whole. Okay, so look at number 1. How many sections do I have? 5. That's the denominator on the bottom. That's how many total parts of a whole that I have? 5. Okay. How many do they want you to color though?
1.
1. That's the numerator. That goes on the top. So it says color 1/5. Okay, you call it 1/5 because there's 5 sections. 1/5 of the rectangle. So you could just do this. Right?
Yes, and Mr. Crafty, this there.
Same thing for number 2. How many do you have the color?
1.
Just 1. The top number of the numerator tells you what you need to do. Okay, if I had 2/6, how many would have the color? 2. Exactly. It says write the fraction of the shaded part for each shape. Okay, you'll be doing this for homework. Okay, I'm just kind of showing you what you're going to be doing for each one. Okay, so when I need to write a fraction, I have 2 numbers, right? I have the number at the bottom, which is called a numerator, and the number at the bottom, sorry, the number at the top is called a numerator. The number at the bottom is called a denominator. Okay, it says write the fraction for the shaded part of each. So look at number 1. How many are shaded in? Just 1. Right? What's the total altogether? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There's 11 rectangles, right? And only 1 that is shaded. So for number 2, okay, how many are shaded? 1. How many altogether? You can count them. 12. So how many were shaded? 1, 12. All right.